Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Montreal Olympic Park was built for the 1976 Summer Olympics, which made Montreal the first Canadian city to host the Games. The park is a big complex that includes sports venues, green spaces, and some of Montreal's most famous landmarks. One of the first things you'll notice here is the Olympic Stadium, often called the Big O. It's a huge, futuristic-looking structure with a unique oval shape. The stadium was designed by a French architect named Roger Taillibert and is famous for its bold design. It was built to host the opening and closing ceremonies, along with several sporting events during the Olympics. Today, it's used for special events, concerts, and sports games. Attached to the stadium is the Montreal Tower, which is the tallest inclined tower in the world. It leans at a 45-degree angle and gives amazing views of Montreal from the top. If you visit, you can take a ride up the tower for a bird's-eye view of the city. Right next to the stadium is the Montreal Biodome, which lets you experience different ecosystems all in one place. Inside, you'll find a tropical rainforest, a polar region, and even a marine environment. There's also the Esplanade, a big outdoor space where people gather for festivals, outdoor yoga, and other fun activities. In the winter, it's transformed into an ice skating rink. The park is also a great place to relax. There are green spaces where you can have a picnic or take a walk. The mix of modern architecture and open space makes it a great spot for photography or just soaking in the atmosphere. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Montreal Olympic Park. It's a place where history, architecture, and community all come together.